literally becoming a farmer in my own apartment, becoming self-sufficient, and packing up to go on a 2-day shoot to brush off this today and tomorrow. And I just realized I need to come up with a better system to sort my gear, because right now I just throw everything in this box and the backpack, and I still have to manage these. It's pretty easy because that's just power stuff, cards, radio, the little light from Small Rig. It's so freaking amazing. I've been on 2 shoots with it so far, so small, yet so fucking good. I really recommend it. It's pretty cheap. Got this plus the light stand for, I don't know, like 300 euros, not even 250 I think. Pretty good. Plus the what's this called, the softbox, again that price. So yeah, if anyone has any ideas and recommendations on how to actually manage space and make a system for it, so I don't have to deal with this every time I pack, yeah. I'll be taking my Sony FX6 with me and the A7 III as well, just for in case I need to put it on a gimbal or need to take some photos. Also got the 70-200 and the Tamron 28-75 2.8, amazing lens, and the matte box from Small Rig, and I think that's it for the cameras. Batteries, only 3 batteries for the FX6 because that's what I have right now. As I said, the Small Rig light, Synco G282s in case I have to take interviews, my SD cards, and going with the Lexars and the Extreme Pros right now, and I've got these just for backups. These are for the drone, and these are for the A7 III. Need to get more cards. Always taking this with me, this little power brick adapter thingy, 100 watts, amazing, from Basius. Can't live without that. Lots of power banks for the light, the chargers, and my old drone, the Mavic Pro Mark 1. I really need to get a new one as soon as possible. So yeah, I've got to figure out how to put all of these into that, plus my clothes, plus possibly this monitor, the Fieldwork T7. It's pretty good, but it's kind of big and bulky, and yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna take that with me. Of course, the laptop. For some reason we are stuck in traffic. I'm on a mountain, because I'm passing through the mountains to get to Brasov, but yeah, right now we are stuck. There's nothing moving. Got about 100 kilometers left to go. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. I'm curious how much it will take to pass through these mountains, and why are we stuck, because the maps don't say anything. So yeah, excited to find out. There's another congestion. Oh, what the fuck? Why are you moving by yourself? Come on. What the? Okay. My map decided to kill itself, I guess. Interesting. So yeah, we're still stuck. Now we're in a field somewhere. There's rain and wind. There's nothing yet on that side. Damn, this looks cinematic. Very nice, very nice. Look at those mountains, there's snow! And finally arriving to where we'll be staying. Looks so science fiction, I don't know, it gives weird vibes. So weird. Finally arrived. Time to go eat and rest until tomorrow. that's a wrap for today. Have to load these back in and make my way back home, because tomorrow morning I still have another shoot to do for some fucking reason. Should be facing the sun, but I can't see shit. I forgot the lighting, but whatever. Right now I don't care, I'm too tired. So yeah, I should be home within the next 4 hours, I guess. So yeah, at least I'll get to enjoy these nice views. All the road will be just mountains, because I'm avoiding the highway right now. Thanks for watching.